Okay, I'm gonna teach you about AutoCAD. First, how to open the AutoCAD. Go to the file, go to the new, then it will show a file name extended template. Then click on OK. It shows me a black window where we can draw any sketch. Now, zoom out by scroll button. See this unit coordinate system. I have to fix this unit coordinate system here. So what I'll do, first go to the view, go to the display, go to the UCS icon, then click on tick on origin. Okay, this unit coordinate system will appear on right place. Zoom out the window by scroll button on mouse. See, now we are sketching something here. I will teach you one by one command. First I will teach you about command line L. Here it shows. Take a mouse cursor to toolbar. Here line. Click on line by left click on mouse. Then click anywhere in the window. I'm clicking here. See, it rotates in 360 degree. I want to rotate 0, 90, 180, 270. So what I will gonna do, F8 ortho. I will on I will press F8 on keyboard. See, the ortho is on and my line is moving only 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. Okay, the x-axis I will put a value 400 mm. I want to line a 400 mm. Then exit for command, escape, press escape for exit command. Zoom out the window by mouse scroll. See, it cannot zoom. You cannot see the line fixed in window. You have to fix this line in this black window. So what you are gonna do, Z space A space on keyboard, Z space A space, then zoom out. See, you can see the full line, 250 400 mm line. Okay, now I will make a rectangle by using a line command. Okay, then again press L space on keyboard. It shows me endpoint here, it shows me a midpoint here, it shows me a endpoint here. So I will click on endpoint here, go to the down, 200 mm, again 400 mm negative x, again y, 200 mm. I will click directly on line by left click on mouse. Then exit command, escape, pressing escape for exit command. Come out from command. Okay, now it shows a rectangle. I make this rectangle by using the line command. Now I'm going to show you how to use a rectangle command. Okay, first the line command is clear, then I will show you a rectangle, how to use a rectangle command. Here it shows in the tulips. See, rectangle. See, rectangle. You can click here by left click on mouse. Yeah, click here by left click on mouse, then click anywhere in the window. See, it shows the specify others corner point. Before the specify the corner point, press a D space on keyboard. See in here shows a specify other corner point. I press a D space on keyboard, then specify the length for rectangle. It shows me a specify length for rectangle. I'm giving the length 500 mm. Then it shows a specify width for rectangle. I'm giving a width 250 mm. Okay, here my rectangle is done. By clicking left click on mouse, if I want a rectangle here, 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 I want a rectangle here. Just move your arrow by side. I will click here by left click. Okay, now exit command for escape. Now the rectangle is clear. You can make a square by using rectangle command. You can make a square by using a line command, just to give the dimensions. Okay, now what I am gonna do, taking the center point of this rectangle, I am using a line command again, L space, otherwise you can click here in the line command. I am taking a midpoint of this line. See, it shows me a midpoint. Here is right click, enter. Again I will click on line, here to here, escape for exit command. Now it shows me a center point here. Okay, now I want to draw a circle here. What I will gonna do, see here in the draw, the tulips, here you can see the circle, otherwise you can press a C space on keyboard. Then it shows me a, see in the command line it shows me a specify the center point, so I am specifying the center point here. You can specify anywhere, but I am specifying here. It shows me a specify radius first. See in the command line it shows me a specify radius of circle. I am giving the radius 50 mm. Okay, clear. See, the radius is a 50 mm circle is ready. Now I am showing you how to draw polygons. Here you can see in the tulips polygon, otherwise you can type a polygon by using the keyboard. After typing a polygon, give the space for taking command. See in the command line it shows me enter number of sides. See in the command line it shows me enter number of side. I am giving the side 6 on the 6 sides. Then specify the center of polygon. See in the command it shows me a specify center of polygon. I am specifying this center on the polygon here. Then it shows me enter the option inscribe in circle, circumscribe about the circle, but I want to inscribe in circle. Okay, so I put a I space, then it shows me a specify radius of circle. See in the command line specify radius of circle. I put a radius 80 mm. Okay, my 80 mm is done. If you draw the circle here to here, see that was 80 mm. Okay, now polygon is okay. Sorry, hexagon. I draw the hexagon. Okay, now I'm showing the polygon. Hexagon is also draw by using a polygon command. Just you have to enter the sides. You can enter the sides 7, 8, but you have to give a equal length. Okay, now I'm going to show again about a polygon by using a polygon command, same which we used for hexagon. See again, polygon enters the number of side. I I press a 5 space, specify center of polygon. I specify here I want a polygon here. Enter an option, it shows me enter an option inscribe circle. I want to inscribe circle, so I press a I space. It shows me a specified radius of circle, so I press a 80 mm. I want a radius 80 mm. See, my polygon is here. This is my polygon and this is my hexagon. This is my hexagon. Okay, I'm drawing this hexagon by using a polygon command, and also polygon is same command for hexagon and other sides 4 sides. Just you have to enter the sides 4, 5, 6, 7 and give the equal length or equal radius. Okay, now I'm going to show you a construction line. This construction line appears fully on windows. You cannot see the end point of this construction line. Okay, this for a reference. Now I'm going to show you a arc. Okay, I want the arc, this arc. Here it shows the arc in toolbars. Otherwise you can type ARC space on keyboard. Then it shows me a specified start point of arc. I specify here I want the arc here to here, so I specify first point here. Then it shows me a second, then it shows me a second point. I choose here, then it shows me an arc. Okay, anything, it is a randomly arc. You can draw randomly arc here by using this command line. Okay, otherwise you can draw this like. Okay, this is the second. I choose only specified 2 points, but I can choose 3 points also. See, command line I pressing arc ARC space on keyboard. Then it shows me a specified start point. I start from here. It shows me a second point. I want here or here, anything that dimension wants. Here, here. I want here. Okay. Then it shows me an end point. I can click here. Yes, this mark is done. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a revision clouds. Okay, revision clouds, it is for a markup if some detailing it is on a hold in drawing. So revision markup is very important for using this detailing for any kind of mention in drawing. Something is important in drawing, you can mention by revision cloud like here, which I'm gonna show you now. Okay, now click on the revision cloud. By left click on mouse, revision cloud. It shows me a specified start point, arc length, objects, type. I specify arc length a space by using a keyboard. Then it shows me a specify minimum length. I put a minimum length, which is a 50 mm. Then it shows me a specify maximum length. See, in the command line it shows me a specify maximum length. I put a 20 mm. Okay, then it shows me a specify start point, so we'll start from here. Just a left click anywhere in the window by using a mouse and move your mouse like this. Okay, it is important for detailing in drawings. If something is on a hold or something is so much important, then you can show this revision cloud on that detailing, so it will be easy for see the detailing. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a spline. It is a random spline. Okay, now our region cloud is okay. I'm going to show you a spline. Click on spline in toolbar. Here is a spline, or I can type a spline by using a keyboard. After typing a spline, give a space, then specify first point. It shows me a specify first point. I want to spline here to here. What I will now do, this is a randomly line command, so I'm pressing a F8 for ortho off. It rotates in 360 degree randomly. This like this like this like this like this. And click anywhere. Okay. After give a space double. After give a enter. Sorry, enter. See. Click on spline. Here, 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 here. After completing spline, give a enter 2 times enter. Give a 2 times enter. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you a ellipse. I will show you after. I'm gonna show you how to region the square. I'm drawing a square here, and I'm drawing a square here by using a line command. First I want to on ortho by pressing F8. See in the command line the ortho is on. Now I'm making a square by using the line command. Then I will click on region. Here it is a region. Then by left click on window, just to drag this blue on the square and press a space. See, the sketch is fully defined. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined, but I want to before yeah, sketch is fully defined. Now after I click a region, the sketch is fully defined. I want to separate this line different. I want to separate this 4 line differently. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will type a x space, then left click by mouse, drag here like this, left click on mouse, drag here by this, and give a space. See, these lines are separated. Okay, that is a use for blocking any drawings or rectangles. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to change the colors. Just click, left click and drag here like this, left click, drag here like this, again left click. Okay, now how to change the color. Close this. How to change the color, here you can see color control. Okay, in toolbar you can see the color control. Here you can change anything color, blue, red, magenta, other you can choose right color by click on select color. Here you can see various colors in two color, in color blocks, index color, anything you can choose the colors, then press OK. Okay, here color is blue. I want to change the color magenta. Okay, now how to give a notes for drawing. Here you can see the notes, multi-line text. Otherwise you can press M text on keyboard, just type M text and give a space. It shows in command line specify first corner. I will show this is my first corner and drag there, or you can drag here by left click by mouse. I drag here. Okay, see, I will type anything here, and after typing anything here, click on OK. See this. Okay, you can increase the height of text. Just double click on this text by using left click on mouse and drag this by left click. Select, or you can press Ctrl A on keyboard, or you can press left click of mouse and drag this like, and give the height 1 mm. Otherwise you can increase the height more, give the 5. Then you can change here anything style you want. I want a Roman, so I pressing R. Here it Romans. That was I will tell you later. Okay, that will I will tell you afterwards. This is Romans. I want to change the color of text. I want to change in red. Otherwise you can decrease the width of text. I am decreasing width of space 0.8 mm. See, I am decreasing more to 2 mm. I am increasing width of text 2 mm. See, the distance between the two text is increasing. To normal 0.8 mm, it is a standard. Okay, now click on OK. Here text, you can press here pan for like this, panning the windows, drawing. Okay, otherwise you can click PAN space. Okay, you can take a calculator here. Here it shows a calculator. See, calculator. Otherwise you can press a control, otherwise you can press F8. Sorry, you can press a control 8 for calculator on keyboard. Okay, in second lecture I will tell you about the layers, these layers, and I will tell you about the line controls. I will tell you about this AutoCAD Classic and some of these things: move, copy, mirror, offset, array, join, rejoin, fillet, chamfer. I will tell you in second lecture these things. Okay.